Hey, it's Griffin Sarah, and we're at Salem Art Works.
In Salem, New York.
Is that where we are?
That's where we are.
Not sure what this is, but it looks like a giant hole in a rock. I want to go over here and look at this weird giraffe. So we got this sort of serpent form and a kind of a giraffe. Looks like it's all made out of steel, welded together. Of course, here's the plaque for it. It says untitled, made of steel. Yeah, I don't know what it is. Some sort of monster. Overview of the place. Well, this is the entrance. There's loads here. I don't know if we're gonna see it all, but
This is the tip of the iceberg.
it's got this cool old Porsche here, though. You got this big old clam here. I don't know what it's made of. Looks like metal.
It looks like metal.
Gotta watch your step around here. Go straight down. I'm not sure if this is a sculpture or just stacked bricks. These guys look to be like rolled up toothpaste tubes almost. I don't know what's going on.
Modern art, man.
Yeah. Call it what you will. Kind of looks like the hull of a ship, doesn't it? Right inside. You got some kind of cheerleader here.
I like her.
Love the
warrior.
shoes. So we got this metal tooth here, this molar. I think that's awesome. All right, got this big bad boy here. Looks like it used to be a jet engine. I think it has been, at least parts of it.
It has been all right.
Jeez, like I've seen better days. I wonder how that came about. We got this whimsy house over here. Not sure what's going on, but what's going on, all right. Okay, so we're just leaving the, what is it, Salem?
Salem Art Works.
Yeah, and O on the artworks is a circular saw painted red, which it just dawned on me.
The light bulb moment.
Yeah, I don't know what it is. I think it might be like an artist retreat.
It is. They have artists that live there
Okay.
and create, and there's barns well up in behind and all sorts of stuff going on. And there's a whole network of hiking trails and more sculptures up in the woods and in the fields, and it's quite beautiful. So if you happen to find yourself in Salem, New York with nothing to do, check out SAW.
There you go.